Mussel chowder, one of my favorites. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Top Nosh, and today I would like to cook with you an awesome mussel chowder, one of my favorites. So for this you need a few ingredients. It looks overwhelming, but it cooks so quickly that you're going to be amazed. So we are needing some mussels. These ones, they are frozen, which I have here. They have been already opened, so you can buy them like this, but you could cook them as well from the whole. Then I have some fennel chopped here, some celery, some chili. If you don't like so hot, pepper will do. Oh, here, this is the chili, very, very hot. Spring onions. I'm using some turmeric, which gives you the beautiful, lovely yellow color, but you could use as well saffron, garlic, half an onion, 100 milliliters of fresh cream, lemon juice, and obviously some white wine. To thicken up, a bit of maizena, but you don't have to use that. Alright, let's start cooking. First we heat our pot and start with a little bit of oil. Onions first, followed by your garlic. And we have to saute this a little bit. Next I'm going to add my celery. And our chili. So if you don't like so hot, put less. Frying this, it gives you the nice flavor to the dish, so that part is very important. Next, I'm adding my turmeric. This is 1 tablespoon. And last not least, my mussels. And straight away some white wine. So that's about 300 milliliters. Lid back on, and we're gonna bring this to the boil. Now my mussels have cooked, let's have a look. Ooh, yummy, it smells delicious. So if you have closed whole mussels, just make sure they have opened up completely, then you know your mussels are ready. So I want to make a nice sauce, so I'm going to switch this off, take them out, and then we make our sauce out of this. Place this over a colander to collect all the liquid. This sauce we will bring back to the boil, adding some cream to this. So you wondered we haven't added any salt. Mussels are salty naturally, so we're just adding some salt to our sauce. At this stage as well, I'm going to add my fennel green. If you don't like it, leave it out. Mussel chowder means that it's a nice liquidy sauce. If you prefer to have it slightly thicker, you can thicken it up with maizena. So this is what we are going to do. For this, you need some cold water. Tablespoon maizena, mixed well together. and add a little bit at the time into your sauce. You don't want to make it too thick. Add your chopped spring onions, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to this, and then let's taste. I love it. Once you're happy with your sauce, you add your mussels back in and your dish is ready. Serve this dish with perfect cooked bread and you have the amazing meal. Let's plate our lovely mussels. As you can see, very coloring. Watch out for white clothing. A little bit of baby spinach and wild rocket just for the garnish. This will lift the dish, gives it a bit of freshness. Voila, and your beautiful dish served with bread is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video, I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.